Welcome.
From the University of Gastronomic Sciences, we are pleased to provide further information about the triangle test of the Tortelli Nice and the Mattarello companies. With a special interview. Good morning and welcome. I'm Sarah. I deal with innovation projects for the University of Gastronomic Sciences in Polenzo of Bra. Our university, also known as the University of Taste, was founded in 2004, promoted by the International Association Slow Food, in cooperation with the Italian regions of Piemonte and Emilia-Romagna. The university's research activity is aimed at increasing knowledge and promoting innovation in the field of gastronomic studies, which is pursued through collaborations with leading national and international institutions, universities, research centers, and our partners. After a few years of collaboration with the company Tortelli Nice from Bologna, today in our university sensory lab was carried out the triangle test of sensory analysis, applying the protocol UNISG 4120/2021. They have been examined the Tortellini Mateno-Bononiense, products of the artisan company the Mattarello from Modena, which has adopted the new production system called Tortelli Nice system. Now, I would like to ask some important questions to Mr. Cornea, one of the inventors of the Tortelli Nice system patent, of which the Tortelli Nice owns the industrial property right. Good morning, Mr. Cornea. Could you explain me how the Tortelli Nice system can ensure that the fresh stuff pasta reaches tables all over the world, maintaining the quality and taste of the products freshly made?
Good morning, Sarah. Yes, of course. Today, all this is possible thanks to our exclusive conservation process, referred Tortelli Nice system, where food cryogenesis is applied. If the freezing has always been considered the oldest and most natural method for food preservation, the cryogenesis wins every comparison. The food cryogenesis, it's a sophisticated conservation technique, eco-friendly, which allows to be kept intact over time the chemical properties and organoleptic characteristics of the products, to par the fresh ones. The triangle test, employed today, served precisely to demonstrate this aspect in an objective way.
We can say therefore that the cryogenic products are the same as fresh ones. How it is possible to obtain this exceptional condition of uniformity?
This is possible because the Tortelli Nice system provides that freshly made products are immediately treated cryogenically. This allows us to recreate the so-called cryonic suspension, a sort of natural vacuum packing of the products where their chemical and enzymatic processes that determine their natural deterioration are interrupted, but at the same time leaves their organoleptic peculiarities intact that will recur unchanged until at the time of their use, as if they were just made.
But this uniformity between fresh and cryogenic products, is it subjective or is it also objective?
The triangle test of sensory analysis, carried out today here at the university by 66 competent pupils, and the test which was carried out between Christmas and New Year's Eve among 50 families between Modena and Bologna, using in both tests our Tortellini Mateno-Bononiense Gourmet Freshos and Crio, have confirmed that exists a correspondence both objective and subjective among the fresh product and the Crio one, and they both turned out absolutely equivalents. The tests confirmed what was previously ascertained also by the esteemed chef Gabriella Costi, president of the Modena Chefs Association, to whom we have entrusted the quality control of our gourmet products.
And now, I have also a few questions for Mr. Montorsi, the owner of the Mattarello company of Modena, which produces the Tortellini Mateno-Bononiense, used in today's test. Good morning, Mr. Montorsi. Could you explain to me what are advantages for a restaurant in London or New York that wishes to provide his customers a good plate of true Emilian tortellini?
Good morning, Sarah.
The secret for an esteemed chef, just like the ones you can see behind me, is to always have available of true tortellini to offer its demanding customers. But to make a good tortellini dish, first of all, we need a good ingredients. The recipe has to be just right. Then have the time necessary to prepare them. And we know very well that to make good tortellini, it take really a lot of time. Furthermore, as for any fresh filled pasta, once made them, they must necessarily be consumed within 24 to 48 hours, because after this time, begins on natural deterioration process. And the products not yet used, they must are discarded necessarily and thrown away. Today instead, it will be enough to store our products Creo Gourmet in the freezer, and put them directly in the pot ready to be cooked, and served, when required. In this way, the chef, or restaurant, can provide to their most demanding customers, high cuisine at any time. In short, waste is completely eliminated, thus achieving a food cost always positive.
Very well, Mr. Montorsi. I can say that you're a true tortellini expert. I have also seen that the Mattarello has received many awards and accolades. But when it comes to food safety, what can you tell us about this?
Food safety is very important to us, and it is we alone who can guarantee it 100%. First of all, with the traceability of every single product that is used in gourmet preparations, and with total transparency of information relating to our shipping and delivery chain. Moreover, by adopting the tortellini system in our manufacturing, the products do not contain chemical additives, such as antioxidants, aromas, and flavorings, let alone preservatives, as other manufacturers instead use, to increase shelf life of their products. That's because, thanks to cryogenesis for our Creo Gourmet products, we obtain in a natural way, a nearly unlimited expiry date.
Mr. Montorsi, thank you for all. And before concluding our interview, I wish to ask you one last dutiful question. Why choose Mattarello products?
Because, for over 20 years, we offer our customers the best Italian specialties, faithfully respecting traditional recipes, using only raw materials from the best local producers, only PDO/PGI certified. Our gourmet products, reserved for the most refined customers. Now, thanks to our Creo production, we can be distributed worldwide, maintaining unchanged the taste and quality of the fresh products, as if they were just made. I can confidently say, without fear of contradiction, currently, not exist products on the food market that can be compared, in quality and convenience, to our products Creo Gourmet.
Thanks for your attention. And we look forward to Polenzo. Not as tourists, but as guests.